Just like,
Now, coming to a very, very important part, like this is like the 70% of your entire CAT preparation, right? The mock analysis part. The first part, are like go through the questions sequentially, okay? Don't just do that. Ki, theek hai, I'll only go to the correct questions first, then go to the incorrect questions first, because you need to understand what mindset you solve the question in. Now, that mindset you can only replicate when you go to the question in the same order you went while solving the questions. And that is the question, the order which is given in the question paper. Firstly, if the question that you are currently analyzing, if it's correct, try to resolve it. Try to see if you again solve it, if you can again solve it correctly. Go to the solutions, or before going to the solutions, try to find out solutions on your own, alternative solutions, right? Try to find out alternative solutions on your own. If you're not able to find, go to the solutions section, see what kind of solutions these people are giving, understand the solution, and then gauge for yourself which one of the solution is better, the solution that you applied or the solution that is being given in the solution section of the test series. When you come across, yeah.
no, that is just adding to that, like the thing in Hindi is like sunenge sabka karenge apni. So why
Yes.
the thing is like I will see solution for every people, do what comes to me naturally. That's it.
Now, coming to the incorrect section thing, incorrect questions thing, do not see the solution of any questions that you've attempted incorrectly. Attempt those questions till the time you get the question correctly. Maybe spend 2 to 3 attempts on those questions. If you're not able to understand, if you think that, okay, maybe I'm making a silly mistake, maybe I'm making a conceptual error, go through the solution of the section, go through the solution of the question, identify what kind of mistake you were making, bucket your mistakes, right? If I'm making a silly mistake, if I'm making a conceptual error can be rectified on the spot. A silly mistake, you need to rectify silly mistakes with time. So maybe I used to make a lot of silly mistakes because yeah, I used to read questions really fast. So I slowed down my speed of reading questions. And as Sayan also said while practicing questions, I used to revisit the question before marking the answer. Like, पूछा क्या है? A is to B पूछा है कि B is to A पूछा है? These kind of things helped me eliminate my silly mistakes from maybe 100% to maybe 20-25%.
One good point is like how we are able to identify our silly mistake. For example, while we were doing got a question incorrect, right? We try to understand why it is incorrect. The thing is like the thing is like identify patterns in your incorrect, and the moment those kind of pattern you will see while in the next mock, a red flag should be there in your mind कि इस तरह question में last mock में गलती हुआ था, तो I need to be more cautious now. That's it.
Yeah. Third one is the time analysis. Now, you need to, like, one really good thing that helped me in SEMCAT was that they give you a small table at the right hand side of the section where you see how much time did toppers take and how much time did the 90th percentile take, right? So you need to compare yourself with the toppers. And if you're just beginning out, just compare yourself with the 98th percentile people, because the time that these people take will more or less be the time that you should be taking. If you can solve it a little bit faster, that's really good. You're saving some bonus seconds. But if you're not, then you should definitely be able to solve at the speed where the average population is solving, right? So analyze why you took so long. Did you have to resolve the question? Why did you have to resolve the question? Did you read the question incorrectly, or did you not even read the question and start attending the question? And once you ask questions like these to yourself, you'll find answers automatically. And that's how you tailor your preparation according to yourself, right?
Find pattern in
You
your
need
mistakes.
to understand, yeah, you need to understand that CAT is a tailor-made suit. Okay, you cannot fit in someone else's strategy. You need to identify your weaknesses, you need to identify your blind spots. खुद को अच्छे से खुद को अच्छे से पहचानोगे तुम, तभी तुम अपने लिए एक अच्छी स्ट्रैटेजी बना पाओगे. ठीक है? That is the most important thing in CAT preparation. And the fourth part is the skipped questions. Now, before looking at the solution of the skipped questions, I would strongly recommend you to actually attempt those skipped questions. Now, there might be cases where you are able to attempt those skipped questions in maybe 45 seconds. And just because the question was long, you thought that it would be a tough question and I'll leave it. Now, this is a very important lesson for you. Just because the question is long did not make it a very tough question. Now, skipped questions teach you the most, in my opinion, because you understand why you skipped them. You skipped them either because the question was too long, you skipped them because the question was from an area of your discomfort, you skipped them because you didn't understand only what to do in the question. Now, all these three kind of situations teach you the most. And I think skip questions, I used to look forward to skip questions a lot.